Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete your ChatGPT photo history in just a few easy steps. If you've been using ChatGPT to generate images and want to clean up your library or remove everything completely, this video will help you do exactly that. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device. This method also works on your laptop or computer. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner and tap on the navigation menu icon. Now, from the menu, find and tap on the Images section. Here you'll see all the images that you've generated or saved in your ChatGPT account. Now you have two options. If you want to delete a single image, simply tap and hold on the image. You'll see an option to remove it from your library. Tap on it and that image will be deleted. But what if you want to delete everything at once? For that, go back and tap on the navigation menu again. Now tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Data Controls. Here you'll find the option called Delete All Chats. Keep in mind, this will remove all your chats and images permanently from your account. If you're sure, tap on it and confirm your choice. And that's it. Your ChatGPT photo history will be completely deleted. That's how easy it is. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more useful tools and apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.